Alright, got some fat, like 2-inch thick New York strips. About to go in my Gozney dome out there. Alright, I promised to show the finished product. We're just gonna drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil, bam. Get a little bit of a rub in there. And then I just got some garlic powder and kosher salt in there. Gonna give it, a liberal amount of salt and garlic powder. And then we're also going to hit it with some coarse ground black pepper. All right, so you got one side like that. You can hit some of the edges or sides with some pepper. And then we're just going to flip it over. Same thing. All right, I washed my hands after touching those steaks. Got some olive oil, boom. Little drizzle, boom, boom, boom. Hit it with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You don't want to over salt it, obviously, but you want to give it a liberal amount because it really enhances the flavor. Some other things you could add is like some like paprika or coffee grounds like espresso. Give it a nice espresso rub. But yeah, I just use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of olive oil. All right, we got the steaks cooking in the dome here. Let's see what temperature we're at. 755 internal. And then it's going to show you the internal temperature of the steaks. We're only at 49 degrees on one steak and 50 on the other. It's just funny because I let it sit out for half an hour and that doesn't even get you to room temperature. But it's okay. So I am going to pull probe 1, which is that steak to the left at 120. Right now we are about to hit 120. Wait till it turns. Bam. All right, so look at that charring that we have there. Freaking perfect. That steak's gonna carry over to 129 or so when it rests. Perfect medium rare. All right, there we got the other steak. As you can see, pretty perfect cook. That's gonna carry over to medium rare, and we'll be Gucci. Actually, they already are now. One's at 131, which is still in the medium rare range, and 132 is medium rare, like 129 to 132. So, we perfect. Let's see what we got here.
Nice.
That's perfect.
And the crust too. Scrape the crust, scrape the crust. You hear that?
Ah, we got...
You can hear it on the first one.
That's fucking perfection.
Chef Suzer.
That's like perfect right there. What, bitch?
Or get the fuck, stop it. You ate a whole steak last time. That was not yours. Stupid. 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 Oh. What beautiful. What a beaut. Dumb. You just hear the crust when you cut into it. Fucking sheesh.
Always remember, cut against the grain. So for those of you who don't know what a grain is, those lines running that way, you have to go against the grain, which means not running, you just go diagonal. So the grain is still intact. Yeah.